Today, the construction industry generates around 40% of the greenhouse gases in Europe. To reduce this environmental impact and ensure a truly sustainable future, Sphere comes in. By joining efforts from 18 European partners, the project aims to optimise the building life cycle and energy efficiency by providing a BIM-based digital twin platform. But what is a digital twin? It is a real-time digital replica of a physical object. As both are linked through a building digital twin environment, when the real object changes, so does its virtual counterpart. This technology can help construction professionals make better decisions, improve collaborative workflows, reduce costs, as well as increase usability and comfort. It can even predict upcoming events. Brilliant! Sphere's digital twin platform will be tested in 4 pilots to demonstrate the benefits an asset can gain simply by having a digital twin to consult, especially when it comes to energy efficiency. Let's model a greener future in construction.